Welcome back to Appliance Educator. Today I'm going to be reviewing several different main brand appliance polishers and cleaners. Which ones performed well, which ones didn't, and what we recommend coming up. First, I want to give a huge thanks to ZLINE for giving us 2 of their ranges to play with and test. We'll be doing a series of videos with these ranges in the future. If there's any content you want to see regarding their ranges specifically, leave a comment down below. So as you can see, we have 2 appliances here, one regular stainless, one black stainless. What we did was ran a few tests of getting them dirty, covered in grease, grime, and then taping it off and polishing each section with a different cleaner to see how they performed. To save you the effort, if you want to cut to the chase and find out what was best, the Magic stainless steel cleaner. This is what we've always used for cleaning appliances for videos, and this just went ahead and proved it again. This is the best polisher to use for stainless steel appliances. It gets everything off. It's streak-free. We aren't sponsored by them, although I have reached out to them and heard nothing. I still love this product. It's one of the best. So as you can see, we have each section here, Brasso and Maas. So these 2 at the very end. These are the absolute worst polishers when it comes to appliances. What we found out, and what you'll see in this video, is they are designed to wipe off tarnish, have a protection. They do anything brass, copper, stainless steel, aluminum, but they're both incredibly abrasive. And if you have a high-end appliance, you might scratch the finish off with these. After polishing these with microfiber cloths, according to the directions, the Brasso has scratches as well as the Maas. The Maas also went a step further. On the black stainless, it actually was removing the PVD finish on the black stainless. Now, black stainless, the appliances are a little tricky because it depends on how the black stainless is manufactured. With this one, it's a PVD coating, and the Maas or Maas, however you pronounce it, was removing the finish with each wipe. So it's incredibly strong, but also very abrasive. If you're going to use those, I'd recommend using it on a part of the appliance that won't be shown. So, for instance, you can test out the back of an appliance if it has the same finish as the side and front. That way, if you mess something up, you won't really have it shown inside your house, and you can test it on a part of the product that obviously won't be shown to your friends and family. Now, these 3 polishers, the Weiman wipes, the Noxon, and the Magic, performed the best. They got the most grime off and brought out that original finish. CLR isn't really designed for appliances such as like the stainless and black stainless. It more takes off rust and lime. It worked pretty good, but it did leave a ton of streaks on the stainless and the black stainless. So not recommended for stainless steel or black stainless appliances. But for faucets and sinks, we're going to have another video in regards to that. Now, the Wright's copper cream, you probably saw it in our last video about brass burners. Worked incredible with brass. Even though it's designed for copper, brass is just copper with zinc in it. This doesn't work great at all for stainless steel or black stainless. It actually removed the finish as well on the black stainless, just like the Maas. But this isn't designed for either. I just wanted to test it out to see how it would perform. So these are some of the major main brand cleaners, but Magic, Noxon, and Weiman are going to be your best bet for keeping your appliances fresh. Thanks again for watching. This video is just really a brief description on some of the best cleaners that are out there for your appliance. Again, Magic is the hands down the best. Noxon is second best, and the Weiman wipes are very convenient and also a really good product. All 3 performed very well on our task. Again, this wasn't really a scientific study. It's really anecdotal, but from my experience, from dealing with appliances, these are going to be your best bet. If you like the video, leave a like. If you want to see content in the future, please leave a comment down below. If there's cleaners that we didn't show on here that you think are the best, or cleaners that you want to avoid as well, please feel free to share that in the comments down below. Thank you.